Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. It's me Priscilla Benjamin. Today I am showing famous Kerala style fish curry recipe without coconut. In this recipe I am adding few special ingredients and the taste is delicious. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, first soak Malabar tamarind in the lukewarm water. Next, in a kadai, add 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once it heats up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it's splattered, then add little fenugreek seeds. If you're adding fenugreek powder, then add with masalas. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and saute well. Now add 15 shallots, 3 green chilli. You can add green chilli according to your spice level. Add curry leaves, salt, then saute it. Now it's time to add all the masalas. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for nice color and little asafoetida powder. Then mix it well till the raw spice goes. Now add Malabar tamarind along with water. Pour half glass of water. Then let it boil. Now add curry leaves and fish. Then close and cook it for 10 minutes. Once the gravy is thickened, then off the flame. Finally, add curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil on top. There you go. Delicious Kerala fish curry is ready to serve. If you like this video, then like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then consider to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.